My favorite AI agent just got a massive upgrade that allows you to automate your work in seconds. If you've ever spent time doing research, data analysis, building dashboards, or even building out reports, this AI tool is going to change your life. Because with a simple text prompt, you can now automate this work in seconds. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what that tool is, how you could begin to use it today, and I'm going to share with you 5 crazy use cases that are going to blow your mind. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Deep Agent by Abacus AI, because as you can see right here, you could have this do so many different things. You can have it build apps, you can have it make videos, you could build chatbots, MCPs, AI workflows, do deep research, PowerPoints, browser use, and you could even get this to do all types of data analysis. And that's really what I want to show off today, because they just released a massive upgrade for this. So let's say that we come over here and we say something along the lines of, can you please look at this data, help me with the following. 1, which channels are causing the most booking? 2, where are most guests coming from? 3, average night spend. 4, average night stayed. 5, average revenue. And then 6, anything else you think I should know. Now from here, we could add in files from Box, OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive, or if you wanted to, just things from your computer. So I have a bunch of data here around this boutique hotels bookings, and what I'm going to be sharing with you is how this goes through and builds out all of the dashboards, all of the analytics, and does all of this for me. Now, in the past, I would have manually had to do this. This is like hours of work, but as you're going to see here, Deep Agent cuts this down to literally seconds. So the first thing that's going to do is it is going to ask some questions just to get clarifying statements. So 1, are you looking for insights for a specific time period? I'm going to say the entire data set. 2, do you have any specific business goals or decisions you're trying to make? I'm going to say trying to increase revenue. And then 3, would you like the analysis in a specific format? For example, detailed report, dashboard, summary presentation. I'm just going to say put it in a detailed report. But again, you can customize all of this for however you actually want to have it. And from here, this is going to go through, it's going to run through the analysis and do everything that it needs to do in order to give us deep business insights. And again, you don't just have to do this with an Excel sheet. You can do this with a PDF. You could even get this to hook up to your data sources. For example, Shopify, Amazon, maybe Google ads or Facebook ads. The opportunities here are endless. And another thing that's really cool is you could come over here to tasks and you can get this to actually go through and schedule things out. So let's say that you do a weekly report for clients, or you do a weekly report for business, you do a weekly report for whatever. You could have this go through, build this, do all the analysis, and boom, it'll go through and give you the actual results. Okay, so now that this is done, this went through and did a full analysis and gave us a detailed optimization report. So here's what we actually have here. As we can see on the right here, this gave us a seasonal trend analysis. Now, obviously, I didn't ask it to build out a dashboard or really complex graphs. I could have asked it to do that, and it would have done that perfectly right here. But what I really wanted is this analysis that we have over here. So key performance index, we could see the total revenue over 60 days, how many bookings, gives us all this, gives us key findings. Now these go through those things that I had segmented out that I wanted to know. What's actually driving the majority of bookings? As we can see here, Expedia is number 1. Where are the guests actually coming from? Australia is going to be number 1. They also have the highest spend, and the US has the strongest average spend. We could see the room performance here. We could see different revenue optimization opportunities. For example, direct booking strategy, geographic targeting, dynamic pricing, suite enhancement, ancillary revenue, and length of stay. In addition to that, goes through, tells us exactly what deliverables are actually created, and builds out action items for us. Now, in addition to that, if we scroll down here, we could see that we have access to a bunch of other things. For example, this PDF right here. Now, I did just go through and I just downloaded this. So if we open this up right here, we could see that this actually built this out into something that we would be able to send to our team or anything that we want like that. Now, in addition to that, what we could have gotten this to do is actually sent this to us over email. CC'd other people on there. We could have got this to send this to us on Slack and included other people on there or put it in a specific channel. The opportunities here are endless. The main thing that you need to know is that this just took all this data analyzation work and the report creation, and guess what? Cut it down into no time. Another thing that we could have done in the prompt right here, if there was a specific format, or maybe we had brand colors or something like that that we needed to have added in here, we could have done that very easily by just giving it an example of exactly what we want it to create, and it would have gone off and it would have done that perfectly. I cannot emphasize enough how good this tool is for this. And trust me, the use cases I'm going to share with you in just a second are only going to keep getting crazier and crazier. Now, before we get into those 5 crazy use cases that you need to begin today, if you want to automate your work with an AI agent like this, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Deep Agent today for only $10 a month. And this is an absolute no-brainer because not only are you going to get access to Deep Agent, which allows you to build out things like what I'm sharing with you in this video around research, data analysis, stuff like that. In addition to that, it lets you build out chatbots, AI automation workflows, AI apps. The opportunities are endless on this. On top of that, it'll also give you access to Chat LLM for free, which allows you to access every single LLM all from one interface. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get started with Deep Agent today. It's an absolute no-brainer. Use case number 2 is going to be getting this to build out an Excel-based invoice generator. Essentially, what this is going to allow us to do is allow us to put in a bunch of different inputs, and then it will automatically create the invoice. Now, what I want to show off here is how you could use this to build out these internal tools in order to optimize and automate processes that are currently very manual for you. Per usual, we just come over here, we give it this full prompt, it asks us a few questions like it always will, we go through, give it the answers, and now this is actually going through and building this out. In addition to that though, building out the tool, it also gave us this user guide right here, which again is incredibly important because now we don't have to go through and build out an onboarding document or build out some video of us using this tool so that we could get a teammate to do it or get somebody that's a new hire to do it. Instead, this literally just tells them exactly what they need to do and walks them through how to use it step by step. And here's what it actually looks like when you're using it. You could click over right here. You could see that this built out this incredibly in-depth Excel sheet. We'd then be able to add all this stuff in or get Deep Agent to actually automate it. And then instantly this goes through and builds us out these printable invoices right here that we can then use to send off to clients or to actually get these invoices paid. And again, this made this incredibly easy instead of somebody having to manually go through and do this every single time that we need an invoice made. Use case number 2 is going to be getting this to build out a DCF, aka a discounted cash flow model for a business. Now, we don't have some assumptions for this business, so what we're going to get this to do is create 3 versions of the forecast. We have base, which is going to be most likely, we have optimistic, which is going to be best case, and we have pessimistic, which is going to be worst case. And then essentially, we're going to use these forecasts to figure some things out. So what we want to figure out is the value per share. We wanted to have it create a table, and we want to get that table to show several different things again, so that we can use this in analysis of whether or not we should actually buy this company. And then again, it asks us a few questions. We answer those questions, and now this runs off and does all the work for us. And then we have this analysis right here, can go through it. It's got several charts. It's got everything that it learned here, and we could pass this along to our team, use this for ourselves, or we needed to or wanted to, we could get this to actually put this in a PDF or in a PowerPoint that, again, we could use for reporting. And as we could see here, this built all this out, an executive summary, a detailed forecast. It even built out interactive visualizations and executive documentation, all with the click of a button, a simple prompt, and us giving it the information. And now it takes the human out of it, where we don't have to do any of this. In addition to that, if we scroll down here, we could see the exact spreadsheet that this actually went through and created. Look at all these different tabs. Look at this analysis. Again, this probably would have taken a week for a human to do all of this. Or let's say that you were planning a micro-influencer campaign. You could upload something like this. I'm planning to partner with 10 micro-influencers to promote our product. Each influencer has this many followers and typical engagement rates. And then we give it the typical conversion rates. Now, obviously, when you're working with influencers, the performance is going to be unpredictable, but you can't operate unpredictably. You need a way to be able to estimate potential outcomes. So this is going to go through and actually build that out and build out what the model or what the forecast should be in order to use this. And again, This is going to go through, it's going to ask us a few extra questions. We're going to answer those extra questions. This goes through, builds out this entire model, builds out the forecast. And now we have this right here, how much money we should allocate to each of them, what the ROI is going to be, what the investment return is, all the different key findings. And again, it built out this spreadsheet that you would need somebody in finance to normally build out and be able to understand. Now, for the last use case, I wanted to walk you through something that's totally different. In this one, we're going to upload a spreadsheet here, and we could see that I'm going to upload a spreadsheet with product names, with the column, and then we want this to go through and we want this to actually list out a bunch of different information. So this is going to fill in the blanks in all of this because we want to list these products online. And in order to do that, you need a bunch of different things like the category, the description, product attributes, and things like that. Now, again, in the past, this would take a really long time to go through. It would take a really long time to build out these things, but we don't have to worry about that anymore with the power of AI automation, because this tool is going to go through, it is going to analyze all of this, and it is going to fill this in, and it is going to fill in these attributes for us. And the best part about this is it's actually going to keep them in a dashboard like this. So now we have the overview, the category analysis, product explorer, quality analysis. It built this out in minutes with just a simple prompt that anybody could write. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest that you check out this video right here that walks you through a brand new AI app store that allows you to access more than 500 tools for free. I'll see you over there.